Welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video, we have one very interesting and challenging question from algebra. Here we have one equation of degree 2024 known. It is 2024 x power 2024 minus 2023 x plus 1 equal to 0. Then it is set to find this product expression. I will consider required expression equal to E. Now I will begin with this required expression itself. Let's take -1 common from each of the brackets. So I can write E will be equal to -1 is common. So in the bracket there will be 1 minus 2023 R1. -1 is common times in bracket 1 minus 2023 R2 dot -1 is common. In last bracket, we'll write 1 minus 2023 R 2024. Now -1 times -1 times -1. How many -1s are there? It is 2024. So we can write -1 with power 2024. Then we have product 1 minus 2023 R1 times 1 minus 2023 R2 up to 1 minus 2023 R 2024. Now -1 with even power is always 1. So we can write E will be equal to 1 minus 2023 R1 times 1 minus 2023 R2 up to 1 minus 2023 R 2024. Let's say this is our equation number 1. Now we are going to consider this is equal to fx, whose roots are R1, R2, R3 up to R 2024. Let me write here fx equal to 2024 x power 2024 minus 2023 x plus 1. So we can write here x minus first root is R1 times x minus second root is R2 up to x minus R 2024. As we have leading coefficient 2024, so we have to write here 2024 times this much equal to fx. Now from equation number 1, it is 1 minus 2023 R1, 1 minus 2023 R2 up to 1 minus 2023 R 2024. So I need to put over here x equal to 1 over 2023. Let's check what will come out. F of 1 over 2023. So we are going to write 2024 times. In place of x, we will write 1 over 2023 minus R1. Then we will write 1 over 2023 minus R2 dot 1 over 2023 minus R 2024. Now we are going to take LCM here. So we will write 2024. How many 2023 in the denominators? We have to multiply. So their number would be 2024. We have to write 2023 with power 2024 in the denominator. Then there will be 1 minus 2023 R1 times 1 minus 2023 R2 dot dot dot. Last bracket would be 1 minus 2023 R 2024. And from equation number 1, if you will check, then this is our E. This is our E. So I can write here F1 over 2023 equal to 2024 over 2023 raised to the power 2024 times E, required expression E. Now to find the value of E, we should know F of 1 over 2023. So we will target this first. Once this is known, our E is known. Let's say this is our equation number 2. Here we will write equation 2. Now let me write our equation number 2 first. Here it is. Now we have to calculate this value first. So I will write Fx. Fx equal to 2024 x power 2024 minus 2023 x plus 1. Now we have to plug in x equal to 1 over 2023. So we will get F1 over 2023 will be equal to 2024 times 1 over 2023 with whole power 2024 minus 2023 times x, which is 1 over 2023. So I can write 2023 in the denominator plus 1. Now 2023 over 2023 is 1. So we can write here 2024 over 2023 with power 2024. Plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled out. This is nothing but F of 1 over 2023. Let's say this is our equation number 3. Now we will write from equation 3 to equation 2. So F1 over 2023 we are going to plug in from 3 to 2. So I will write from equation 3 and 2. So I will write here 2024 over 2023 with power 2024 equal to 2024 over 2023 whole power is 2024 times E. Now you can see we will divide both sides by 2024. So 1 will be here. We will multiply both sides by 2023 with power 2024. This will be over. We will get 1 in the denominator also. So 1 is equal to 1 times E, or we can write E equal to 1. So our final answer becomes expression value is 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye till next video, and Happy New Year 2026 to all of you. Bye-bye.